This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing succeeds quickly. Put your Soundmates into pairing mode. Hold the multifunction button until the LED flashes, because Android scans for visible devices only. On your phone, open Settings and switch Bluetooth on. This powers the adapter and begins scanning. Make sure your phone is within 2 to 3 meters and airspace is clear of other active Bluetooth gadgets. This reduces interference and speeds discovery. Once done, proceed to selecting the device name shown on screen. You now pick the Soundmates entry that appears in the Bluetooth list because that directs Android to create a connection. Tap it and accept the pairing prompt. Many models use 0000 or 1234, so confirm quickly if asked. Android may request permissions for audio, calls, or contacts. Granting these enables media and call routing. If pairing stalls, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retry. This refreshes the adapter and clears stale caches, so the devices can complete the handshake. Finish by verifying audio routing. Play a track and make sure the Android media slider is up and output shows Soundmates. This confirms both connection and codec negotiation. If audio is absent, open Bluetooth settings and reconnect. If that fails, choose Forget Device, then pair again so Android recreates the link. As a final step, reset the Soundmates by holding the power and pairing buttons to clear internal faults. If nothing works, try another phone to isolate whether the issue is the earbuds or your Android.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.